Hi everyone. If you're struggling in your life, then this speech is for you. Nowadays, still a lot of people not understands difference between hard work and smart work. People who don't know are struggling to get success in their life. Today, we will understand the difference between both. My name is Muniva Mazari, and I am motivational speaker. If you find this speech fruitful at the end, then you can appreciate me by like and subscribe. Let's move on the topic, ladies and gentlemen. There was a time when people believed that success only comes to those who work the hardest. They thought that spending long hours, pushing themselves to the limit, and sacrificing everything was the only way to achieve their dreams. But let me ask you, have you ever seen someone working day and night, giving their all, yet still struggling? And at the same time, there are others who seem to achieve success faster, without exhausting themselves. Why is that? The answer is simple. There's a difference between hard work and smart work. Imagine a person who wants to build a house. He picks up bricks, cement, and tools, and he starts working. He works all day under the hot sun, sweating and pushing himself to the limit. But he doesn't have a blueprint. He doesn't have a plan. He just keeps laying bricks, hoping that somehow the house will come together. After weeks of effort, he realizes that the walls are crooked, the foundation is weak, and the house is not livable. He has worked hard, but his effort has gone to waste because there was no proper direction. This is exactly what happens when we work hard without a clear goal or strategy. Many people believe that working long hours, sacrificing sleep, and constantly staying busy will lead them to success. But in reality, if your effort is not guided by a purpose, you are just exhausting yourself. Hard work alone is not enough. It must be combined with the right strategy and direction. Think about a student preparing for an exam. One student studies for 10 hours a day, reading every single page of his textbooks. He memorizes everything, but he doesn't focus on the key points, doesn't solve past papers, and doesn't practice time management. On the other hand, another student studies for only 5 hours, but he focuses on important topics, understands concepts instead of memorizing, and practices answering questions in an exam-like setting. Who do you think will perform better? The student who studied smartly, not just the one who studied for longer hours. The same principle applies to every aspect of life. If you are working hard at your job but not improving your skills or networking with the right people, you will remain stuck in the same position for years. If you are starting a business and putting in endless hours but not understanding market trends or customer needs, your efforts will not lead to success. Hard work must have a purpose, otherwise it only leads to exhaustion, not achievement. Many people work hard their entire lives, yet they don't see the results they desire. This is not because they lack dedication, but because they lack direction. They don't take the time to step back, analyze their efforts, and make necessary adjustments. They keep repeating the same actions, expecting different results. But success doesn't work that way. You must work hard, but you must also work smart. The key is to combine effort with strategy. Instead of blindly putting in hours, take time to plan. Ask yourself, what is my goal? What is the most effective way to reach it? Am I using my time wisely? Am I learning from my mistakes? Am I making progress or just staying busy? When you start thinking in this way, your hard work will begin to pay off. Hard work without direction is like trying to find a destination without a map. You may be walking for hours, but if you're going in the wrong direction, you will never reach where you want to be. So don't just work hard, work smart. Set clear goals, make a plan, and then put in the effort in the right direction. That is the real formula for success. Imagine two people digging a well. One is using a small spoon, tirelessly scooping out tiny bits of soil. He works all day sweating and struggling, but at the end of the day, he has barely made any progress. The other person, however, uses a proper digging tool, works strategically, and within a few hours, he has already reached the water. Both of them worked hard, but one of them worked smart. This is the difference between just working hard and working with intelligence. Many people believe that if they keep pushing themselves without rest, they will achieve great things. But effort alone is not enough. Effort must be backed by the right methods, the right mindset, and the right tools. Hard work without thinking can lead to frustration, but hard work combined with smart strategies leads to real success. Think about a person trying to climb a mountain. He has two choices. He can take the longest, most difficult path, struggling over rocks and thorns, or he can find the best route, one that is challenging but effective. The person who chooses the smarter path reaches the top faster and with less exhaustion, while the other person wastes his energy struggling through unnecessary obstacles. This is what happens in life as well. Some people work from morning to night, putting in long hours, yet they never seem to move forward. They follow the same routine every day, doing things the hard way, never stopping to ask themselves if there is a better approach. Meanwhile, another person who may not work as many hours, but who thinks carefully, plans ahead, and finds better solutions, moves ahead faster. Let's take an example from everyday life. Imagine two shopkeepers running small stores. One shopkeeper wakes up early, arranges everything himself, spends the entire day selling products, and then stays up late counting the money. He is tired, but he is barely making enough profit. The other shopkeeper, however, takes a different approach. Instead of doing everything alone, he hires an assistant, introduces online orders, and promotes his shop on social media. He works fewer hours, but his sales increase. He has not just worked hard, he has worked smart. This applies to everything we do. If you are studying, don't just memorize. Understand the concepts, practice with past papers, and focus on key areas. If you are working, don't just put in long hours. Learn new skills, network with the right people, and find ways to improve efficiency. If you are building a business, don't just rely on old methods. Analyze the market, use modern technology, and innovate. Smart work means using your energy wisely. It means stepping back and asking, is there a better way to do this? It means recognizing that time is precious, and instead of just doing more, you must focus on doing better. Many people mistake busyness for progress. They think that being constantly occupied means they are achieving something. But the real question is not how much effort you are putting in, but whether that effort is leading to actual results. We often hear stories of people who struggled for years before finding success. What changed for them? They didn't just work harder, they worked smarter. They found better techniques, learned from others, and adapted to new methods. They understood that success is not about how much you struggle, but about how efficiently you use your time and energy. Hard work is important, there is no doubt about that. But hard work alone will not take you where you want to be. It must be combined with intelligence, strategy, and adaptability. Instead of just working harder every day, take a moment to think, is there a smarter way? Am I using my time wisely? Am I learning and improving? When you start working hard in the right direction, that is when you truly begin to move forward. Imagine two people trying to cross a river. One person jumps in and starts swimming against the strong current, struggling with every stroke. The other person looks around, finds a bridge, and walks across effortlessly. Both had the same goal, to get to the other side, but their approach made all the difference. One exhausted themselves fighting the water, while the other reached their goal with ease. This is the difference between working hard and working smart. Many people believe that working harder is the only way to success. They spend long hours at work, sacrifice their personal life, and push themselves to exhaustion. Yet, they do not always see the results they hope for. They wonder why, despite all their effort, others are achieving success faster. The answer is simple. It's not just about how much effort you put in. It's about how you use your effort. Think about a woodcutter trying to chop down trees. If his axe is blunt, no matter how much strength he uses, his progress will be slow. But if he spends some time sharpening his axe before starting, he will cut down more trees in less time. This small adjustment, sharpening the axe, makes his hard work more productive. The same applies to life. People who take time to think, plan, and improve their skills achieve more in less time. They don't waste energy on unnecessary struggles. Instead, they focus on strategies that maximize their effort. Look at students who study for exams. Some spend the entire night reading every page of their textbooks, trying to memorize everything. Others find summaries, use practice tests, and focus on key concepts. Both are working hard, but the second student is working smart. They use their time wisely and get better results without overloading themselves. This idea applies to the workplace as well. Some employees work overtime every day, trying to complete tasks manually. Others learn to use technology, automate repetitive work, and complete the same tasks in half the time. They don't just work hard, they work in a way that makes their hard work count. Athletes provide another great example. A runner who trains without a plan may end up exhausted without improving their speed. But a runner who follows a structured training schedule, eats a balanced diet, and rests properly will see faster progress. It's not just about pushing harder, it's about training smarter. Even in daily life, people waste energy doing things the hard way when a simple solution is available. A person carrying heavy grocery bags may struggle for hours, while another uses a cart and finishes in minutes. It's not about avoiding effort, but about making the effort more effective. One of the biggest mistakes people make is thinking that working hard alone is enough. They get stuck in a cycle of struggle, believing that if they just push harder, success will come. But real success happens when effort is combined with smart thinking. Smart workers take time to learn new skills, find better methods, and ask for advice. They observe successful people and adapt their strategies. Instead of repeating the same actions and expecting different results, they experiment with new approaches. This does not mean avoiding hard work. It means directing your hard work in the right way. A person climbing a mountain can take the steepest, most dangerous path and risk falling. Or they can use a safer, well-planned route that leads them to the top efficiently. The effort remains, but the method determines success. So the next time you find yourself working harder without results, ask yourself, am I using my energy wisely? Could I achieve more by changing my approach? Success is not just about effort. It is about effort used in the best possible way. When you learn to work smart, your hard work finally starts paying off. Imagine two people trying to open a locked door. One keeps pushing and banging on it with all their strength, while the other steps back, looks for a key, and opens it effortlessly. Both had the same goal, to get inside. But their approach made all the difference. One wasted energy struggling, while the other found a simple, effective way to achieve the same result. This is the difference between working harder and working smarter. Many people believe that if they keep working longer hours, putting in more effort, and pushing themselves to the limit, success will come. They see struggle as the only way forward, but hard work without direction is like running on a treadmill. You keep moving, but you never actually go anywhere. Think about a student preparing for an exam. One student sits for hours reading every single word in the textbook, trying to memorize everything. Another student takes a different approach. They make notes, highlight important points, and use practice questions to test their understanding. Both are working hard, but one is working smart. The second student understands that not all effort is equal. Some methods are simply more effective than others. The same principle applies to the workplace. An employee who works late every night trying to complete tasks manually may feel like they are giving their best. But another employee who learns to use technology, automates repetitive tasks, and organizes their work efficiently will get more done in less time. The first employee is exhausting themselves. The second is achieving results without burnout. Life constantly gives us choices. Struggle through everything the hard way, or take a moment to step back, think, and find the most efficient solution. It's not about avoiding hard work. It's about making that hard work count. Consider an athlete training for a marathon. One runner runs long distances every day without a proper plan, believing that the more they run, the better they will get. Another runner follows a structured training schedule, balances speed work with rest, eats a healthy diet, and tracks their progress. Who do you think will perform better on race day? The one who ran aimlessly or the one who trained smartly? The answer is obvious. Even in business, the most successful people are not those who work the hardest, but those who work the smartest. A person running a small shop might spend all their time serving customers, cleaning, and managing stock by themselves, believing that hard work is the key to success. Another shop owner invests in a good system, hires employees to help, and focuses on growth strategies. Both are putting in effort, but one is using that effort in a way that leads to long-term success. A common mistake people make is assuming that more effort always leads to better results. This is not true. It's like digging a hole. If you are digging in the wrong place, no matter how deep you go, you will never find what you're looking for. Instead of digging blindly, take a moment to check the map, find the right spot, and then start digging. That way, your effort is not wasted.